I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Good morning. So we are on the way to the beach right now because it's going to be a beautiful day. It's like in the 80s. So we're going to get some beach pizza for lunch and just hang out for a little bit before Chris has to go back to work tonight. Hi. Yeah, I didn't know beach pizza was just a New England thing.
Yeah.
You knew that?
Yeah.
I found that out like a year ago. For all you guys who don't live in New England and don't know what beach pizza is, I'm truly sorry.
It's the best pizza around.
I've tried looking it up, like why this is special, how do they make it, and I found nothing.
Can't wait till she's old enough to be able to walk around. Baby's first time near the ocean.
It's a little chilly. It's not that bad though.
Do you like it, baby? Do you like it?
There is so many people at the beach today in their bathing suits, swimming, getting their tan on.
Surfing.
Surfing, there's a lot of surfers out. But yeah, I feel like it's gonna be a really good summer. Last summer I didn't really enjoy it much because I was like newly pregnant, feeling all fat, but yeah, I feel like this summer's gonna be really good. It's making me inspired to get my summer bod back, you know. I might even go tanning, which yes, is so bad for you, but this girl's so pasty, so I gotta do something. So someone bought us this inflatable tub. It's supposed to be for the bathtub, but we're gonna fill it up and put it outside so she can swim in it. Go, Daddy, go!
How are we gonna fill this?
I'm gonna fill up bowls and then
You just walk it out?
yeah. Oh wait, do you think I can fill it up in the tub and just carry it out?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Not across the whole apartment. Don't tell me that's recording right there. Gabriel! That's not funny. She's gotta record everything.
Vlog life.
Guys, listen, man to man, don't date a vlogger. Don't marry a vlogger. Because they're gonna record everything you do.
Not everything. Lucky duck.
Thank God.
Look at these little swim diapers we have for her. Aren't they so cute? I think you just wash them afterwards. You can find them on Amazon if you're interested.
You're getting wet. Next to all the spiders.
Yay, baby! She's trying to figure out if she likes it or not.
That's cold.
She's going. She's panting. The baby's hot out. Look, he's splashy. Splashy, splashy. Do you like it? Obviously, I'm not gonna let go of her, but I think she would stay up like this.
Try it.
Nope. Are you splashing yourself? Yeah. No matter what you say or do, I will always love you. The end. Okay, now that the baby's asleep, I think I'm just gonna get in the shower real quick and just try and relax and decompress a little bit. Plus, I feel kind of gross for being at the beach today, so we're gonna do that. I'm just kidding. First, I'm gonna have some Oreos, because why not? Now that that's done, I'm about to embark on a very scary mission. Forgot my pajamas in the room. success. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.